Hey, check this out. Pay attention. Watch closely now. Abracadabra. Whoa, pretty cool. Check it out. Abracadabra. I like it. You gotta like it. This is Chris Willett from Notes from a Vagabond. Just a little movie on this Andersen retracting screen door. I put it in yesterday. I really like it. Highly recommend it. I think this retractable screen door is so much better than a regular screen door. Now, I had one problem putting it in. I thought it went inside the jamb here, like a regular screen door would, but actually it attaches to the outside of your trim. Trim here, you know, this is a trim, goes on the outside. Real easy to install. Andersen makes a really nice movie explaining how to put it in. But there's just, there's 3 screws on this side, 3 screws on this side, 3 screws down there. Real easy to assemble. Like it a lot. Just a couple issues. I live in like a old cabin, so nothing's standard. So, I had to do a little trim here, and I had to build out my threshold down here just to support it because, things in my house just aren't standard. The other thing I would recommend is this threshold that comes with it, this silver one. It's only like 31 inches long or something. But for an extra charge, you can get one that was 36 inches long. And if I would have known that at the time, I would have ordered the longer one. I still can change it if I want someday. The other thing is I picked this up off of Home Depot from, I ordered it through Home Depot. Now for a white one, it costs like $165. Now if you want a different color, black or beige or some other color, it's going to cost you another $100, which, I think is kind of a rip-off, but I wanted this color. I forget what color this is, but it'll just cost you a little more. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you like this movie, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.